Oh, the weather is crazy.
Imagine this. You are planning a dream holiday in Switzerland with those spectacular mountain landscape, deep blue lakes and charming wooden chalets nestled in lush green valleys. You pick the best days, maybe in June before the tourist rush with just the right temperature. But then the forecast turns against you. 10 days of rain.
And that's exactly what happened to us.
Switzerland in the rain has a beauty all its own. We are here to show you 5 spots that are even more fascinating in the rain.
It's a rainy day, this is a perfect place to visit.
Get ready to see how we turned a wet holiday into an unforgettable adventure.
Our first stop is the spectacular Trümmelbachfälle, the only glacier waterfalls in Europe located inside the mountain and accessible to visitors. Here, rain or shine, you are going to get wet anyway. The waterfalls are fed by the melting snow of the Eiger, Mönch and Jungfrau mountains, creating a powerful surge of water that's almost intimidating. On rainy days, the flow is even stronger, with up to 20,000 liters per second cascading down.
So, we arrived at the Trümmelbachfälle. Are you ready, Kikina?
Yes.
We are at the Trümmelbachfälle.
Trümmelbachfälle.
Beautiful. There is some queue, but I think it's maybe 15 minutes wait. But Mila is preparing another small show for us with her umbrella.
Oh my god. Walking along the carved rock passages is breathtaking, not only because of the power of the water, but also for the sense of security those tunnels and galleries provide. It's like stepping right into the mountain's heart. Sometimes it's actually a bit intimidating to be so close to such intense natural forces, but it is this raw power that makes the experience so humbling.
I think I've never seen something this powerful, this close. It's crazy. Water is splashing everywhere. It's just crazy. Impressive. The emotion here is incredible. It's so powerful. This is how powerful it is.
Then, as you step outside, you are greeted with one of the most beautiful views of the Lauterbrunnen valley, framed by steep high rocks and vibrant greens. It's a scene that stays with you long after you've left.
Now we have a bit of luck. There is some light in the Lauterbrunnen valley. So beautiful.
Hello amazing people! Welcome to our channel. Today we are
in Lauterbrunnen.
Yes! The waterfalls were incredible. It's an experience that you cannot miss here. It's just 15 francs per person.
Yeah.
It's unforgettable.
On our third day, rain pouring harder than ever, we visited Aareschlucht, the Aare Gorge, a stunning natural wonder carved through limestone by the Aare River over a million of years. This geological marvel has been accessible to visitors since 1888, allowing tourists to experience its breathtaking beauty up close.
And of course it's raining a lot.
At the main entrance you can buy a poncho to keep dry, however, between the rain and river spray, staying dry is quite a challenge.
Hi Annie.
That's what happens if you forget umbrellas at your hotel room. I look like I'm in the garbage bag.
There are ghosts here.
The gorge stretches 1,400 meters long and features towering walls that rise up to 180 meters high. The river flows at an impressive speed of 2 meters per second, with depths reaching up to 5 meters in some areas, so don't jump.
This is a perfect place to visit. It's mostly kind of covered, and we also bought this gorgeous ponchos for just 3 francs 60. It's pretty good.
Wow!
Here you can see the narrows of Switzerland.
Yeah, to me it reminds me also a bit Antelope, you know?
Yeah.
Basic phenomenon is the same.
As you walk along pathways carved into these sheer limestone cliffs covered in green moss, you can feel the river rushing below. It's like walking in a natural cathedral, with little caves and tunnels providing shelter and stunning views. The Aareschlucht has been shaped by water for eons. Today it flows through narrow passages that showcase nature's artistry. This captivating gorge serves as a reminder of nature's relentless power over time, making it a must-visit destination even in the rain.
Oh, we reached the other end of the gorge, and yeah, the weather is still as it was, but from here we have two possibilities. Either we go back through the gorge, or we take a bus, which is included in the ticket price, to go back where we left the car. Are you tired, Kikina? No. Okay. So to go back, we take a train.
We had to run
Yeah.
to be on time for train.
And this is the system.
You have to press to indicate that the train has to stop. Summer request.
Here's
And
the
hopefully it will open.
The best thing we find in Switzerland so far are cheese, waterfalls, and infrastructure.
Wegtreten. Please step.
Our second stop takes us to the mystical Beatus Caves. Just the legend of this place makes it unique. It's said that in the 6th century, the monk Beatus drove a dragon out of these caves near Lake Thun. This story adds an aura of mystery and wonder.
On arrival, you'll need to climb a few steps to reach the entrance, but it's so worth it. From outside, the view of Lake Thun is spectacular.
And here we are in the Beatus Caves.
Very fresh here and a bit spooky. This looks like a small castle.
Touching with my head.
Inside, streams run through rocks while lights illuminate stunning limestone formations. Some shapes look almost alive. A dragon, a face, even spaghetti made of stone. This phenomenon is known as pareidolia.
I can't see any spaghetti. I can see something else here. Yeah, spaghetti, okay. Here there are more spaghetti.
As you venture further in, it feels like you're journeying into the mountain's core. The beauty of the caves is a surprise around every corner, making you feel part of an ancient legend. Since you're so close, don't miss a chance to stroll around Lake Thun or visit the nearby village. It's a picture-perfect scene.
So, I must say it was quite an adventure getting here.
A bit illegal.
A bit illegal. We visited, let's say, the historical center very closely with our motorized vehicle.
There's a river. And the spot where you did your illegal activity.
We will be banned forever from Switzerland.
In the end, we got here, we are in Thun.
And the view is gorgeous. We're very lucky with sunlight.
Yes.
It's very beautiful.
Finally, after a huge thunderstorm.
Yeah, and the Swiss Meteo app is really helpful.
See you tomorrow. I'm coming back in 24 hours.
I'm trying to find a fondue restaurant here. Short but very pleasant walk here. I really enjoyed it.
Our first stop, Bern. It was pouring here too, but Bern's medieval arcades provide excellent cover from rain, making it an ideal destination for exploration, even on gloomy days.
We made it to
Bern.
So good to be here now. It's not raining, as Beatus said. This is very good. So, I would like to find the Einstein house, because maybe it gives me some inspiration for my work. What do you like to find first?
Fondue restaurant. Everyone has their interest.
For your inspiration. Ooh, look at that car. Okay, let's follow your inspiration. Let's find the rest.
Founded in 1191 by Berthold V of Zeringen as a military post on a peninsula surrounded by oak forests, Bern quickly grew into an important city-state within Switzerland.
So, Hani, since you were asking where are we? Where are we? Because you said you have no idea where are we. I found, I think, some small hints that may, I don't know, suggest where we are, but it's not really clear.
This is so dumb. That is really not the conversation we had.
With its cobbled streets winding along the river Aare and historical landmarks like the iconic clock tower, built in 1218, adorned with mechanical puppets that perform at every hour, Bern is steeped in history and charm. The city became a free imperial city by 1218 and joined the Swiss Confederacy in 1353 as one of its 8 founding cantons.
Among its many attractions is Einstein House, where Albert Einstein lived from 1903 to 1905 while developing his groundbreaking theories on relativity. This modest apartment offers insights into his life during one of his most prolific periods.
Notice that there are a lot of wooden doors here. It seems like a lot of shops are really underground. Very impressive, and the doors are also very cute. Very well done.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align.
So when they say Bern is good in the rain, is that because there are thousands of meters of this ways under the arches.
Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain.
Despite heavy rains, Bern retains an enchanting atmosphere, a blend of romance and solemnity that captivates visitors year-round. We found comfort in enjoying cozy fondue at one of its many delightful restaurants, an experience made even better on a cold rainy day. If you're interested, we even made a video dedicated to finding the best fondue in this region. The link is in the description and at the end of this video.
That I can take the truth.
And there you have it. 5 places where rain enhances rather than detracts from your experience. We hope this video has shown you how Switzerland can be beautiful even under grey sky.
In the end, is this what travel is all about? It's not just weather, it's about emotions, stories and experiences that make each destination unique. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe. For us, it's the greatest sign of appreciation of this work and keeps us motivated. Leave us a comment below and tell us if you've ever had a rainy holiday that turned into an adventure, or if there's another spot that you would recommend. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Ciao!